Hello everyone, welcome to another 747 update for Copilot CRM. We are just now wrapping up this week with our development sprint that we've been focusing on bugs and stabilization improvements and optimization of the software. So we didn't release a lot this week, but we are really happy with our goals of getting bugs out of the system and stability. But this will be a pretty fast 747. So let's hop right in. And the first thing we did is on a customer profile. If you are an enterprise user now, you will now see from the home screen of the profile, you will now have the ability to add call notes. So before it was kind of hidden away in communication, and then you had to go calls, call log, add call. But now on the customer details page, right when you open up that customer, you can see call notes right here next to customer notes. And for those of you wondering what the difference is between customer notes and call notes is an enterprise level Copilot feature that allows you to save a note. And then with that note, you can choose to notify a person of your choice or create a follow-up to do on the schedule. So this is a new note. Now you can save these right from the customer page and do all the same things you were going to do before, and you can hit save. And we also added a search bar here. So if there was multiple notes, this is another note. You'd be able to see the history of notes here, and then this is also searchable. So if I search another, you can see it pulled up the note that had the word another in it. And clicking show more here will simply just bring you to that where call notes lived before under communication tab. And this is all the same here. We can see all the call notes, and this is still searchable as well. I guess those both have the word note in it. So I'll do another again. So you can see this works exactly how it did before. So we just basically just add it to the customer page. Just makes it way faster to record call notes for your customers. All right, next thing is on the client portal, we made it much easier for your customers to set up autopay. So I have a little screenshot here. Before, to set up autopay, you had to make sure there was a card on file. You had to enable a login. They had to set a password, all that kind of stuff. Now, as long as your customer has a credit card on file, they can simply go in their customer portal and then just turn on autopay with that little switch there. Much easier. That is literally the 2 steps to set up autopay is save a card and turn it on. So no more having to worry about creating a login or enabling it. This is now independent from that. So much easier for your customers to set up and for you to get paid, which we are always happy about. And then this is the last update we made. This is a really big update, and that is that we changed the icon of when a credit card is saved on file in the customers list. I know, it's a crazy big update. And it just looks way nicer. It's a much better design. So all jokes aside, we are really happy with how the sprint is going, getting bugs out and stabilizing the software. And we are excited to move into the next sprint of development next week, where we're going to start working on features again. And we have some really exciting things that we want to show you guys coming up. So that is it for this week's 747. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.